Welcome back, everyone, to the OpenMappingLab YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain how to map closely built or adjacent buildings. First, draw a single building that roughly covers the entire area using the Building tool, shortcut B. Next, add points to each individual building and adjust their shapes and sizes. To separate each building, select two building points and use the Split Object tool, shortcut Alt-X, to split them. After separating the buildings, use the Orthogonalize Shape tool, shortcut Q, to make sure each building has a proper square shape. Another example is shown next. Please try it yourself. In the next videos, I'll continue sharing more things to learn in JOSM. Thank you all for watching.